Every time when I feel like crying, I don't waste time. Cause the pain that I face in you, maybe gonna make me die. It's 15 hours been crying and it was Christmas time. It's just a ticking time and the day I'll die would clear my mind. Every time when I feel like crying, I don't waste time. Cause the pain that I face in you.
Bengicala ukubretha top 10.
3.
Mina eyazi kuyijupitizo boy go thina bheka msho.
What boys?
Sotsini. Danki Machobela. Danki Maphalala.
Feel like truth or feel. Truth me like what is your deepest target secrets? Secrets ongazotshela umuntu feel.
Nabantwana Wi-Fi FIFA.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Va.
Yeah, speed up go.
What?
Eyazi kuyijupitizo boy go thina bheka msho.
We are here with Bansulite Godmother.
Pantula Godmother. Okay, Pantula. My Pantula mina ngitshela truth or dare.
Truth.
So like what is your deepest target secret?
Yeah?
What is your deepest target secret?
I don't have any. Anginawo ama secret.
Okay, there.
Yeah, there.
Uyambona ngosinene nomfalo. So like bese qonqabuza.
Enye wayekungabuza.
Ihag ke.
Sakhe ngcono.
Yeah, mara uzogreba.
Not
Why not here?
not on camera.
Why?
Nje.
Usababani lapha ya?
Bazoyibona abantu le video.
Ngizokhatha khuleka ihag kuphela.
Oh, die man. Not a
Khuleka.
camera.
I'm sure sisawuze nodozi.
Okay.
Yeah, tanga ivali la. Yeah, jabo fisikisa. Awuze phela sis. Eyazi kuyijupitizo boy go thina bheka msho.
Ayabona. Kaze sikisi ngesha.
Ubani sisika?
Ayabona.
Ayabona so like sisi ngitshene like truth or dare sisi.
There.
Yeah, there. Sure chance. Ya wena tangoza. Ozala. Oza yakubiza umwana. Okay. Bhekane like bese cela. Oza. Yambona Musen mfalo like bese cela umshaye ngembake. Ihage. Kuyijupitizo boy go thina bheka msho.
Siphokazi.
Because like mawufuna ne bangithola lapha ku TikTok, Instagram.
Instagram esiphokazi.
Guys, please go follow her. So like I have just one question. Like truth or dare? Yeah. Khetha wena. Truth or dare?
Truth.
So like what's your deepest target secret?
Hey, there.
What?
Hey, there.
There. Muzonke. Yambona mosinele mfana lona. So like uzokhetha ukuthi like uyamnqabuza or uyamhaga.
Wayengekho ushanga impama.
Yide hayi. Asilo nto.
Bakhala ngempama.
Ngikhetha umhaga.
Umhaga. Okay, awamhaga.
So romantic.
Eyazi kuyijupitizo boy thina bheka msho.
Khithabile.
So Khithabile if they want to work and get you TikTok, Instagram utholakala lapho wena Khithabile.
Ku Instagram.
Yeah, njengoba
Shaudi.
guys, please go follow her. So like mina I have just one question. Truth or dare?
What's in interview?
There.
Ibe yonke le
So like
nto.
awu tangoza. Ngene nta. Oza.
Babiza wena sikopotana.
Oza. Oza. Ngiyambona mosnene umfalo. So maye wena uzokhetha ukuthi uyamnqabuza ola wemhaka. Yeah, ungamhaka ke. Ask you to pieces of boy coach and then pick I'm with happiness like mau batla ni ka ko kai happiness Instagram
Yeah,
it's bad
adorable happiness.
guys please go follow him so like happiness ne just one question fela ne so like truth or dare truth so like what's your deepest darkest secret
Ini?
what's your deepest darkest secret
Yo, anginayo.
oh no dege
Hayi. Why thanks it?
yeah ngithi mina iqiniso what's your deepest darkest secret secret sakhe deep
Yo, guys. Unama
one nje yabo
anginayo shema.
awunayo dege yabo cause like into 50-50
Okay.
there skopo taoza ke yambona mosnelo mfalo like taoza nga bengicala ubrate out of 10
3.
mina for ngolo mina ndanina ne okay so like khetha yabo like ungamhaka lapha phakathi kwethu
Akekho.
okay like umhaki ke vele kube ide hayi
Yo, it's like
nyama mfethu isikhathi sakho ne danki ne
I'ma be better. I'm friends with the monster that's on my bed.